Question number 19. An electric motor raises an object of weight 500 Newton. Force is given to a distance of 3 meters. Whenever force and displacement is given, what is that you need to find? Work done, right? Work done, energy, something is related to it. In 1.5 second, when this is also given, that means there should be something related to power also. Okay. Now the current in the electric motor is 10 ampere. Current is given, potential difference is given. What is the efficiency of the electric motor? Now see, there are 2-3 parameters given together. Okay, one is current and voltage. When you use current voltage, what do you get? V into I is nothing but power. So nothing but power over here. When you use the power multiplied by time, so what do you get? You get the energy also here. Okay, I will not write here, I'll write something. So P into T is equal to energy. Now in a similar way, F into S will also give you energy. Right? What is the efficiency? Now what is efficiency? Efficiency is given by output divided by input. Well, what is this output here? Output energy divided by input energy. Right? Now you need to decide what is output energy, what is input energy based on this. There are two energies given here. So what is the output here? When you switch on the motor, the energy present in the motor because of the current passing through it makes this object to be lifted upwards. Right? Which means what is the input? Input is nothing but the battery power, which is coming through the motor, and what is the output? The object is being lifted. So this will be your output and this will be your input. We just need to calculate, find the ratio, that's it. So therefore E output is equal to, what is force? 500 multiplied by distance 3, which should now be equal to 1500, okay, joules. What is input? E input is equal to P into T, which is nothing but P into T, which is nothing but Vi into T, right? So what is V here? What is V here? 200 multiplied by current, 10 ampere multiplied by time is 1.5, right? So which will now be equal to 2000 multiplied by 1.5 will be 3000 joules. Now let us substitute this. This will be 1500 divided by, this will be 3000. So this 2's are, so which is 1 by 2, which is nothing but 50%. So the answer is C. Okay.